Hey, what's up everyone? How are you? Hope you're fine now. XRP Ripple coin holders, wake up my friends. It is a wake up time, my friends. And this video I'm talking about the emergency urgent update of the XRP. Absolutely, this update is gonna very special and gonna very important for all XRP Ripple coin holders. So keep watch this video till the end, and if you are new to my channel, subscribe to this tech channel for more this kind of news and updates videos, my friends. Now at this time, price of the XRP in the market is 0.867733 USD dollar. That is the currently price of the XRP Ripple coin in the market. On the other side, if we talk about the price changes occurring in the XRP, so the price change is going very complicated, my friends. At this time, the price change of the XRP, no one can understand that what's going on at this time in the XRP. At some time they start pumping, at some time they start falls down. You can see here, last 1 day pricing is positive, last 1 hour pricing is negative, and last 1 week pricing is also negative. So such a complicated changes occur in the XRP from the previous last 1 week, and no one can understand that what's going on this time in the XRP Ripple coin. But don't worry, I predicated the XRP Ripple coin. Hope you like my prediction. My friends, XRP Ripple coin are very near to hit a 1 USD dollar, my friends. My friends, you know what? My personally target for the XRP Ripple coin is to hit a 1 USD dollar in this month, my friends. And this month they can easily hit a 1 USD dollar. And now already in the last 1 week they hit a 1.07 USD dollar. My friends, that is the highest price of the XRP in the last 1 week, 1.07 USD dollar. On the other side, if we talk about the price change occurring in the last 1 week, so the last 1 week pricing is negative 14.92%. But my friends, at this time they start pumps. I hope now at this time the last 1 hour pricing is negative, but with the passage of time the price will again start pump and they will give you good amount of profit. Anyways, what is your opinion and what is your prediction about XRP? Please tell me in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe to this tech channel for more this kind of news and updates videos.